So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a shoulders and arms upper body workout. For some of you who've been asking, how do I work my shoulders and arms, build stronger shoulders for my rotator cuff, my lifters in the back of my neck, my thighs and my thighs, and my forearms, okay? A little bit to go on here. I want you to make sure that your feet is about hip width apart, flat on the floor, not pulled back here, not here, okay? Not here, here. So you can see my shoulders, my hips, my knees, and my ankles, they're all in alignment, okay? The other thing is, I don't want you sitting like this, okay? You need to sit up tall with the spine up straight here. Neck is neutral, shoulders are to the side, not rounding, not back like this, just to the side, okay? You can see. I am on a simple fold-up chair. Just use what you got. If you got a sturdy chair is what I want you to do. No plastic chairs, make sure it's sturdy, and make sure it doesn't have the arm handles right here, arm rest, okay? All right, so I'm sitting up tall, chest is up, rib cage is up, I'm neutral. What we're gonna do is we're gonna work with the shoulders first, okay? If you do not have dumbbells, go with soup cans. If you don't have soup cans, just make a fist right here, okay, right there, and just take it where you're going to go, whatever we're doing, okay? If we're here, make a fist, flex that muscle, think like it's really tight, and go from there, okay? All right, the breath is in through the nose, out through the mouth. Keeping it simple, okay? We're gonna work the side of the shoulders first. I'm sitting tall, taking the arms right here, taking them straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. And down, okay? So we are working the side of the shoulder, right here, the lateral side of the shoulder. We're gonna mix it up. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a bicep, okay? We're gonna mix it up so it doesn't get bored for you, and we're gonna be hitting the arm, the bicep, right in front, okay? Shoulder, bicep. You ready? Palms are gonna be facing the thighs, and we're gonna turn and bring it up, okay? Like this. We're gonna go for 8 on each side. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. We're gonna take it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep that chest up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. We're gonna go right back to the shoulder. Remember, you can stop anytime you want, but you gotta monitor your body, what is right for you. If you have shoulder issues, then go without the weight. Here we go, taking it up. We're gonna go with the doubles. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're gonna drop it back down here to the side. We're gonna go with double biceps, all right? Here we go, take it up. 1, 2, 3, chest is up. 4, press with the feet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 1 more, and 10. Perfect, okay? All right, now we're gonna hit the front of the shoulder right here, okay? Right in front. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the weights, we're gonna place the elbows to the front right here and take it up straight. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Perfect. And down. What we're gonna do next is what I call hammer curls, okay? So we're gonna bring the weight up this way. You ready? Lock that wrist, don't let the wrist do that. We're gonna go with the singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Hey, if you need water, get water. We're gonna go with the doubles for the front of the shoulder, taking them up. 1, 2, 3, press with your feet. 4, flat on the ground. 5, 6, 7, give me 3 more. 3, 2, last one, and 1, and down. Good. All right, what we're gonna do now is we're going to do the tricep, okay? So we're gonna take the weight. If you have dumbbells, we're gonna go here. If you don't have dumbbells, what you're gonna do is just bring the arms to the back and go like this, okay? We're gonna work the back of the arm, okay? If you wanna use one dumbbell, take that one dumbbell up and go this way, or you can join it and go this way. Let's go with the single dumbbell. Take it up. Remember, if you don't have dumbbells, by all means, just use body weight. Good. 1, elbows forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. All right, we got one more set of that, and that's going to be our upper shoulder, our shoulders, and our arm workout for today, okay? Here we go. Let's take it up right there. Extend back and bring it up. 1, good, breathe. 2, okay, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Well, that is our shoulder, front and back of the arm workout for today. Okay, remember what you want to do is 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 8 to 10 reps. You can do that Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and your Tuesdays and your Thursdays, you can do your legs, okay? So that would be upper body, lower body, and we can throw some core in there. Check out some of my other videos on YouTube and Facebook, as well as Instagram. Do it at your own pace. The way to add intensity is either to go heavier or move a little faster. But if you're just beginning, I say just go light, practice the form, practice the breathing, and you're good to go. This is PK at Soul Fitness Hawaii. You can find me at Soul Fitness Hawaii, pksm.com. Have a good one. Talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video.